Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Chevy Malibu wipers. Start by lifting the wiper arm away from the glass and supporting it so it does not snap back. Pry the old blade release tab gently and slide the blade off the hook. Align the new blade with the hook and click it into place. Test both wipers for secure fit and smooth motion, then lower the arms gently back to the windshield. Begin by raising the wiper arm away from the glass and holding it steady. Locate the small release tab near the blade center and press it while pulling the blade toward the arm end. If the blade is stubborn, wiggle gently while maintaining pressure to avoid bending the arm. Once detached, set the arm down gently to avoid damage. Repeat the same steps on the passenger side using the same measured motions. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more car tips. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for lasting comfort while you work on cars. I use them when I'm kneeling under the hood or changing wipers because they stay comfy all day. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Align the new blade adapter with the wiper arm hook and slide it into place until you hear a firm click. Make sure the blade sits straight and the rubber edge faces the windshield evenly. Gently lower the arm to settle the blade onto the glass and repeat on the other side. Turn on the wipers briefly to confirm proper contact and smooth wiping. Clean any fingerprints from the windshield for clear visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.